Ymarfer y dydd, exercise of the day, hip abduction. Wsos dwytha nes I ddangos I chi hip abduction, oedd yn gweithio tu allan i'r hip a'r pen ôl. So last week I showed you the hip abduction that worked your outside hip muscles and your glute muscles. Felly mae'r hip adduction, the hip adduction, gweithio y hip ochr o'r hip tu mewn, so cyhyra tu mewn i'r goes a chydig bach o'r pen ôl hefyd. So the hip adduction works on the muscles inside the leg, the groin area, and also works on your glutes as well. Dwi am ddangos I chi dau fersiwn, fersiwn hawdd a fersiwn anodd. I'm going to show you two versions, an easy version and a hard version. I chi gael go, for you to have a go. Felly, fersiwn hawdd, easy version. Da ni gorwad ar yn ochr, lay on the side, neud siŵr bod ni mewn llinell syth, making sure we're in a straight line. Mae'r goes top, the top leg comes up to the side, neud siŵr bod y troed yn flat ar y llawr, making sure our foot is flat on the floor. Da ni'n canolbwyntio ar y goes arall sy'n syth, we're concentrating on the straight leg. A just symudiad bach, it's only a small movement, then just codi'r goes I fyny a lawr. We're just going to lift the leg up and down. Fyny a lawr. Yna di'r fersiwn hawdd, that's the easy version. Y fersiwn anodd, harder version, da chi angen cadar I the chair. Mae'r goes top leg goes on top of the chair. Goes gwylod just o dan, the leg just underneath. Da chi'n mynd i'r side plank, you go into a side plank. A o fanna, from there, you just codi'r goes arall I fyny a lawr. You lift the lower leg up and back down. Unwaith eto, fyny a lawr. One more time, up and down. Now, mae hwnna reit anodd, that's quite a hard one. Felly, pob lwc I chi gyd trio yr ymarfer yna. Yna chi ymarfer y dydd, that's your exercise of the day, hip adduction.